I love smoked meat, so I couldn't pass up ordering a smoker that I found on sale.
Because who doesn't love wings in the winter?
Oh, is this your smoker?
New toy, baby.
Sweet. This is it.
Why am I calling you baby?
What are you gonna cook?
I'm not cooking anything in the winter unless we do something with this, because it's just so thin. You just end up using a ton of fuel, which is kind of what led me into thinking to take my smoker box and winterize it. I wanted to make it a winter jacket.
Parka. The barbecue parka.
And it's basically just putting a winter jacket on a smoker so it can hold its temperature.
This is pretty weather resistant and it can take heat.
It was really, really simple. We just took some pine shelving, 16-inch pine shelving, made a 3-sided box with a back and a lid on it. Took some Rockwell insulation, really easy to work with. It's kind of semi-rigid. Stuck it on the inside of the box. Kevin took some washers and screws and held the insulation to the box. What do we got left? Cut out the little vent hole in the back here. 2 pieces of trim. Beauty.
Let's get cooking, man. All right, pork butt. Let's get the other pork butt ready to roll. Pork butt's my favorite. Look at all the fat in it. We just put a basic rub on the pork butt.
Mesquite.
Threw it in the smoker.
We're at 125. Got another 125 to go.
Yep.
So then you just set it and forget it.
We smoked it for about 5 hours. Smell it. You can smell it from here. The little insulated box seemed to work pretty well. Feel this.
I did not expect that. So the Rockwell insulated that wooden box so well that you can put your hand on the top, it's cold. Ready?
Yep. Ooh, there's nothing more satisfying than putting a giant chunk of meat into a smoker.
You come back to it 8 hours later and you're eating the best stuff you could imagine. Chef's choice, huh?
It's real good.
Oh my God. That is so awesome.
It's crispy, it tasted delicious.
Oh my God, that's good.
Okay, why don't we take it in, wrap it, let it sit for 20 minutes.
Or we could attack it right now.